Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing Don't Choose the Wrong Baby Bottle. Some of these baby bottles have slime in it, which you really want. And the other baby bottles, well, they have baby formula in it.
Oh, is that like milk?
They have baby milk in it, yes.
Like real milk.
Not baby formula. And as usual, we are doing competitions between our Anacorn teams. We have Teddy Corn and we have Teddy Corn. These are animals mixed with unicorns. You can collect these at theanicorns.com. They are only exclusively for Christmas, and once they're gone, they're gone. So today I think we're going to have Naya Corn team up with her BFF, Teddy Corn. Puppy Corn actually has his bottle of milk. So maybe that's a good sign for you. You think that's a good sign?
Yeah.
That he has a bottle of milk?
No, the milk.
Give me all that milk! And as usual, girls, can I see your shirts? I don't see anything. What is going on? Okay, guys, we also have merch. You can check that out at Teespring, Cray Cray Family merch, Nye and Ellie merch. I'm Mommy Cray Cray, in case you're wondering who's Cray Cray.
And we also have the merch pillows.
And we have merch pillows, everything like that fun that you can get. And
it'd be so cool.
Why do I get everything thrown at me?
It's a pillow fight.
I'm gonna sleep on the pillow.
So we have all of our milks numbered here, and the girls are going to take turns picking numbers out of a bowl. So, whatever you pick out of this bowl, that's your corresponding milk bottle.
Are you ready for your little milk, baby?
Yeah.
You ready for yours?
Here, let's play rock, paper, scissors. The light looks like a bubble gum.
What?
All right, guys, it's time for rock, paper, scissors. Let's begin.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Yay.
so Ellie, you are going to pick a number from the bowl right now.
It told me.
I feel like I actually got two.
Oh, all right. Okay. In case you're wondering, I have
Number
Christmas
three.
pajamas. Number 3. Let's take a look at this.
Oh.
Look at number 3. He looks like delicious.
Can I drink the formula?
Can you drink the formula? No.
No, we can't drink it.
I don't think you want to drink it. It doesn't taste like milk. It tastes like baby formula, which is completely different.
Oh, I bet it tastes like milk. How do you squeeze? I want to.
Ew, it looks like a cow. Is
No,
it-
baby formula. What does it taste like?
Here, I'll put one. Ew, Ellie.
Oh, it tastes so well. What?
It doesn't
It
taste
tastes like broccoli.
Careful, be careful. There it
Don't drink it, Ellie.
Why does it sink so bad?
because it has vitamins and nutrition for baby.
He's
11.
Okay, so Naya has number 11. Let's take a look at this, guys.
If I get
Do you think it's formula or do you think it is glue? What did you get?
I got
glue. Nice. Nice smells like pineapple.
What? It smells like glue, you liar.
No, actually smells like pineapple.
Pineapple.
Did we get this when we was little, mommy?
All right, so now it is Ellie's turn. Ellie,
18. 12.
number 12. Let's take a look. Here is Ellie's 12. You're too weak to get it open. Ew.
Ew, wait. It looks like.
Blue.
Yay!
All right, so she got glue. It was being buried inside that formula.
Sometimes slime
This
like
slime
that.
is gonna smell.
Sometimes slime like that, like
Wait, where's the pea?
it's like it's like
Where's the, like,
forms
pig
its
in
own
it?
slime nothing in it. No,
Milk. That goes help with the baby.
Nah.
All right, so look, this is, you guys like that side. Here
Why
is
do
number
I always
9.
get like greenish, yellow, and blue? It's slime.
It's glue.
One challenge we had so much of the wrong way was
Alexa was last time. Alexa was choosing for us. 1.
Ooh, finally a 1, and Ellie should be very happy because this is a color she likes. Oh, it's a little too red for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So is this blue or baby formula? You guys leave a comment. Whose team are you on? Let us know on this. Whose
Blue,
team are you repping?
Blue.
Is it Naya or Ellie? Who is your favorite little sister or big
Oh my
sister?
goodness, I got. I'm so glad.
Do you have blue or baby formula?
Yay! Ooh, that actually looks prettier in the bowl.
Naya, so what number do you
I
have?
got number 8. What?
Number 8. Let's
How am I
see.
getting all the green?
Is this Baby formula. Looks like baby peas. Is this baby formula or glue? Let's see what Naya
I
gets.
think you know what.
Oh, and it got on your shirt.
I'm so.
Ew. She got baby formula, guys. It is on your mouth. Okay, so Ellie has a 4. Guys, at home, let us know, does Ellie have formula or does she have glue? And are you team Ellie corn or team Naya corn?
You may not
Let's
want
see. Here you go. Let me loosen this up for you and let's see.
Is this baby?
Oh!
Oh! It smells worse than my green.
It's great. It smells good.
Number 10. Okay, it is a
Keep getting
yellow.
all the ones
You
on
can
this
get all
side.
the green and yellow. It's like,
And
it's
then
really,
if I get like that blue, I don't
it's
get
really,
it.
what do you have?
It's a pattern. Glue, yellow, glue, green, glue,
Why
baby
is it last time I
formula,
keep getting
green, baby formula,
I
yellow.
can't smell this. Goodbye, bowl.
No, you gotta keep
no,
it.
Please, it smells.
So bad.
I need a candle.
Keep it away from me.
Okay, we have to see it though. All right, so there goes Ellie.
Candle.
Here is number 5.
I need like all the purple and pink today.
What in
Let's
the
see if you have glue or baby formula.
Glue, thank you.
I don't know. My slime is just this liquid. My slime is just this liquid.
You get that blue. I'm gonna be 2. Okay. Oh, you finally got a pink. Here is
But
it.
this looks like formula. It's formula.
It is?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It is. It's like, oh,
No, it looks like glue. All right, let's pour it out and see.
liar, liar, pants on fire. Liar, liar.
That's
Ooh,
so
that
pretty.
looks pretty together, right?
This is like,
That lime green and then that
I'm putting some in my slime.
that looks really good.
Ellie, you took so much.
I saw she stole it. Number 6. Okay. I mean, Ellie has number 6. Naya, that means Naya has number 7. But I think you girls know what this means at the end.
No.
We are going to do a switch up. All right, so we're going to do a rock, paper, scissors to see if this will be a switch up. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Guys, leave a comment. Are you team Teddy Corn, which is Naya, or are you team Puppy Corn, which is Ellie? Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, glue. Yes!
Okay.
Glue.
Oh.
Oh my
So
goodness.
Ellie wants to trade. This is a switch up, guys. Ellie has decided to take blue. That means Naya gets the purple. So let me just loosen
I
this
wanted
up.
that blue so bad. But I bet you that's formula. The trick's on you.
But it's pretty.
Ellie, you traded for formula, guys. Sorry, team, not Ellie, for that one. So before Ellie mixes, take a look at hers. This is what we're working with Ellie. And before Naya mixes, this is what she's working with. Guys, wait, before we start mixing these to see what our slime, did you subscribe to this channel yet?
You guys haven't subscribed?
You haven't subscribed to it.
Oh, and
You didn't subscribe and you didn't hit the notification bell so you know when we post new videos.
I didn't subscribe either.
You didn't subscribe?
No.
Okay, you know what? This is it. I'm done. No, we're leaving. I'm leaving. No, you didn't subscribe. This video's over. The video's over. Okay. 3 minutes to subscribe. What?
3 seconds.
Okay, all right. We'll give him 3 seconds to subscribe when the video's over. Okay? All right, let's give him 3 seconds. Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Okay, you hit it good. You better make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel.
But if
Molly
you
Cray
missed
Cray,
it.
Ellie Cray Cray, Mary Cray Cray.
All right, guys. So here are your spoons. Let's
don't
start
know what
mixing.
my
Slowly mix. I think.
Mine's already purple. You know what mine smells like? It smells like old.
You know what's weird is the glue isn't mixing with the formula at all. Normally, like they mix up together, but it's like the formula
so
is
bad.
separate.
Oh my goodness, I don't want to smell this.
All right. So start stirring. Is it activating at all?
No.
It's still.
We pounds of more.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna make some more activating. So Naya is trying to avoid her slime at all costs, even though she has to mix it. It is starting to come together. Mix that
It
up.
smells like,
Deliciousness.
yes, and it looks like a deliciousness too.
All right. Let's get some of Ellie's in
Do
here.
not eat
All
while
right.
you're watching this.
Girl, Naya, I think yours has too much borax.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, dear.
Oh, yeah. It's like a little bit of chicken.
Ew, it looks like entrails.
No, but mine's even worse than Ellie's. It's like a giant.
Gross.
Okay, Ellie's is not coming together at all. Let's see if we can put some, and I put a lot of borax. Let's see if we
Oh
can.
my goodness.
Okay, let's just see. Ew, guys, look at Ellie's. It feels like a bunch of hair in a clogged sink. Okay, guys, formula, baby formula does not make good slime. Oh!
It's not even flexible.
Naya.
Ah.
Oh, it looks
Oh
like.
my gosh, I'm on my
It's not even flexible.
Oh, there it is, there it is.
Oh, it slung at me.
Alright, let's get a close up of this deliciousness. Guys, what's weird is I've never seen that. It's like the colors won't blend properly.
And like it looks like this.
And it smells like baby formula throw up.
Ew, look at this big chunk of
See
like
this
blow up.
Okay, Ellie,
Ew.
don't drop it. Don't drop it because it's going to slide. So Ellie's, let me give you a good look at Ellie's. Ellie's is like strings.
It's like so easy to stretch.
Okay, and Naya's is this delicious meat
Like eggs.
flesh soup.
Like eggs. Like you can just like
Naya.
Like,
Naya's is the closest to slime. though. All right, guys, I think that's it for this challenge. This is so disgusting.
I don't think we can play on
This is going. Oh, maybe we should keep it.
You guys can give it to your friends at school.
Nobody wants it. All right, guys, that's it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also check out Naya TV.
And
Ellie
make
TV,
sure
and
never make
don't
this
pour it
slime.
out. Oh!
Like
I gotta go.
magic.
This is so nasty.
This looks